You should take to it.
Hold your head up high, like the most happy fella. Well down below each side. Apropos, let's keep paddling, like the flappers you keep paddling, with your flappers while seeming to be dreamy and calm.
Like this?
That's the way. Bend your knees.
Whoa,
No splashing, please.
sorry.
And steady. Watch that eddy to your right. Danger sign.
Danger sign,
That's fishing line.
fishing line.
Which strangles if it tangles you up tight. He's a natural in a class of his own.
This is wonderful. I am feeling full grown.
Look at you. You have every reason to
Hold your head up high.
as if free from all troubles are gone. Stays nice and dry.
But my bottoms in bubbles keep paddling, like the flappers just keep paddling, with your flappers while seeming to be dreaming and calm.
Slow the pace.
But I want to go faster.
It's not a race.
It's a skill I could master.
Clearly, you are nearly fit to drop.
No, I'm not. I could go on all day.
Have a break.
I feel fresh as a daisy.
Your legs must ache.
Well, they don't. Are you crazy?
So maybe, now my baby, we should stop.
Would one lap of the lake be okay? It's the greatest thing. Can't we have one more try?
This is knackering. He swims better than I.
Pretty please,
Give me strength.
bend those knees.
Just one length then.
Keep paddling, like the flappers just keep paddling, with your flappers while seeming to be dreaming and calm.
Just beneath the surface, you may struggle to get by.
But nothing can deter you if you hold your head up high. Mama?